When it comes to process and plant design, SolidWorks is a global provider of design solutions. With companies around the world using SolidWorks, it makes sense to take a few minutes to look at SolidWorks' capabilities regarding this specialized market. In this example of a natural gas power plant, we will see how SolidWorks can leverage multiple data sources, create documentation, and collaborate with customers and suppliers. Designs can start from a variety of sources, including civil engineering to architectural. In the event that you still need to collaborate with 2D designs, SolidWorks provides tools that allow complete manipulation of these 2D data formats. SolidWorks itself intuitively recognizes these files as 2D and allows for further control over objects such as layers to be brought into the 3D environment. SolidWorks even recognizes unique elements of the 2D design, such as blocks. This allows us to create our three-dimensional designs directly from the original 2D source data. This removes any gaps or loss of information throughout this initial design process. From here, we can really leverage the power of 3D design, controlling everything in our environment in a true-to-life form. With easy-to-use features, we can see that SolidWorks makes it very efficient to create these different elements of our design. Even now, we can start to consider the final product and presentation and apply unique materials that will allow us to better communicate our design ideas with our customers. For complex structural designs, SolidWorks provides robust weldment tools, as well as partnerships with third-party vendors to create these unique structures. Incorporating these elements into our facility layout is a simple drag-and-drop process. Further refinement of the location of things like buildings is as easy as well. We can reference that original 2D data to ensure proper location and placement. Adding further elements to the design becomes a simple task, repeating the process like before. With efficient tools like these, this means we will spend less time focusing on simple tasks and more time focusing on the actual design process. For items in your design that are unique, yet based off from an initial design, SolidWorks allows you to quickly create new variants based on those standards. Again, with easy-to-use tools like drag and drop, we can easily manipulate designs to create the desired new version. SolidWorks also recognizes standard features and designs and allows for these to be saved and reused as well in the powerful design library. Drag and drop features allow for fast configurations and selection, again eliminating the need to create geometry from scratch. These powerful tools are just a small subset of modeling tools aimed at allowing engineers to focus on engineering, not the CAD tool. Skids and equipment typically contain more data than is needed at the plant design level. SolidWorks provides unique tools here as well. Utilizing configurations, we can quickly toggle between fully detailed and simplified versions. When needing standard library or off-the-shelf type components, engineers typically have to search for individual manufacturers or suppliers' catalogs and websites. With SolidWorks, all of this data is provided in one easy-to-access place. For unique supplier components, we can access 3dcontentcentral.com right from within SolidWorks. Each supplier provides their own configurable SolidWorks models, eliminating the need for engineers to recreate their supplier's data. Using this data in SolidWorks' piping environment, engineers can quickly snap components like flanges to one another. The models are intelligent and recognize things like nominal pipe size and schedule. We can even specify things like standard pipe lengths for generating cut list and spool data later on. When generating a pipe route or a spool, engineers and designers simply need to select connecting ends of their design and let SolidWorks auto-route capabilities do the bulk of the work for them. This saves a great deal of time in getting an initial layout completed. We could, if we wanted, further refine the route to whatever our unique demands might be. SolidWorks then generates all of the individual pipes for the design. Documenting a pipe route can happen in a variety of ways with SolidWorks. For a standard drawing, SolidWorks takes all of the complicated tasks and simplifies them, automatically generating isometric views, dimensions, and a bill of material including cut lengths. Other methods include generating PCF data, which products like Alias use to generate isogen drawings. Assembly drawings or general arrangement drawings are just as easy to create with SolidWorks. Simply drag and drop the desired elevation or plane views onto the drawing, and SolidWorks creates the views utilizing the 3D data. Detailing these views is easy with SolidWorks ultra-fast dimensioning tools. With SolidWorks, dimensions automatically space and locate themselves based on other dimensions and available space on the drawing. Adding section views is just as easy, only requiring us to create the section line. SolidWorks deals with the cross-hatching and other tasks associated with creating a section view. We can even control the depth of the section. Adding multiple views quickly encumbers a drawing sheet, however. Adding multiple drawing sheets in SolidWorks is similar to other Windows applications. We can even drag and drop views from one sheet to another. Finally, sharing our designs with our customers can really get an idea across. One method is with a walkthrough or similar animation showing the details of our design. Typically a complicated task, SolidWorks handles this with its easy-to-do approach. Simply giving the software a path to walk along, setting a camera with the appropriate control to that path, and a timeline are all SolidWorks needs to generate detailed walkthrough animations. From there, we simply need to play the animation. SolidWorks provides not only the tools to design our plant and facility layouts, but also SolidWorks has a massive arsenal of tools for designing the equipment as well. For more information on this or other industries, please contact your nearest SolidWorks reseller.